So people, today I will show you how to prepare this rich man soup stroke fisherman soup, whichever one you like you can call it, but stay tuned, let me show you. So to begin, I'm pre-boiling the shaki and cow legs. Right now I've not started cooking this shaki and the cow legs. I only pre-boiled it a little bit, then I make sure I clean it very well with a clean running water. Okay guys, so take notes. And to achieve this rich man soup, you can use any meat of your choice, any proteins of your choice, you are good to go. Okay guys, so I'm going to repeat this same process with the cow leg. Like, this soup is really rich man soup. All the proteins you are looking for is inside this soup. Believe me guys, this soup is on point. I'm not just making that up. The soup is giving. So the next one is my stockfish, which I will do the same, because normally I supposed to soak it for a long time, but I don't have that time because I've been busy and I forgot that I'm going to cook this soup. So as you can see, I only added a little salt and pre-boiled the stockfish so that I can be able to clean it very well. So at this stage, I will go ahead and start cooking all the proteins. And to cook the proteins, I'm using 2 large onions, just as you are seeing on your screen. Feel free to season the meat very well. So I'm going to season with Maggi and salt, then add some water, allow it to cook. Keep watching. Guys, at this stage my pot is no longer giving at all, like it's not containing the proteins. Like, when I say this soup is a rich man soup, believe me, I'm not making it up. The soup is full with any orishi you are looking for. Yes, so at this stage I'm going to transfer this pot to a better pot that will give what I want. Guys, before I forget, feel free to check the description box of this video to see all the ingredients I use for this recipe. Okay guys, so keep watching. And if today is your first time watching my video, hi, let's be friends. You know what to do. Click that sign that says subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. I normally upload videos on a weekly basis. To my OG returning subscribers, God bless you all for always coming in to support your girl. I don't take any one of you for granted. Okay guys, so keep watching. At this stage, I'm pretty sure that this pot is really giving me what I want. Yes, so guys. And again, I don't know why the Ogbono and the Okro we buy here in African shop doesn't draw at all. Like, I've been noticing this for a long time. Each time I buy Ogbono or Okro, it will not draw like the one we used to have in Africa. I don't know. Guys, do any one of you have any idea where I can get especially Ogbono? Because the Ogbono we have here is not giving me what I want. I don't know why. I don't know where they get their own Ogbono. Normally, before I used to get mine from Africa, I even came with some foodstuffs here in Deutschland, Germany. All right, but after a while, everything got finished. I have to order for more, and you know what happened? It's also finished. I have to ask some of my friends, which about 3 people have even given me Ogbono, and yet it's still not enough. Like, I really need this Ogbono. So I don't know where to get the original better Ogbono, because this Ogbono we have here, seriously guys, they are not giving me what I want. Believe me.
Mama, what's up? My comfort zone, a place to chill like it's my own. Cooking secrets, hairstyles tight, motivation talks to feel so light. Tutorials served with heart so full, life made better step by step rule. Laughter's found on every face, welcome home to this safe place. Mama, what's up? Let's vibe today, find the magic along the way. A channel of comfort, oh so near. Your home with me right here. Dinner sizzle and stories glow. Braids and twists let beauty flow. Life's lessons here we hit reset. All your worries you can't
So guys,
forget.
at this stage, the soup is just giving me everything I need in a soup. Like it is what it is. This soup is so delicious, so yummy, so tasty that your family will love it, your friend will love it, your wife will love it, anybody will love it. They will eat and come back for more. One thing I love about draw soup is that it can go with any swallows of your choice. Name it all, whether garri, whether fufu, whether eba, whichever one you call it, pounded yam, wheat, corn flour, corn whatever, ihe ọbụla ị kpọrọ ya, it will go down with it. As for me, I'm going to enjoy it with some wheat. Yes, so guys, so tell me at the comment section, what do you think about this soup? Will you love to try it? Are you going to try it? Will you love to cook it? Just try it. A trial will convince you, and you will come and thank me at the comment section down below. So if you watch this video to this extent, thank you so much.
Stay a while, we'll lift your heart and make you smile. Mama, what's up? Let's fight.
At this stage, I'm going to be dishing the soup out. Like as you can see, the swallow is ready to go down well with me. At this moment, I'm done making the swallow, just as you are seeing right on your screen. Yes, so, and thank you so much for watching. I believe I've come to the end of this video. I'm going to be dishing out the soup out. You can see this soup is giving. It's sugary lekker. I mean, it tastes sugary lekker. I cannot come and kill myself. I'm going to sit down and enjoy this swallow. Oh, girl, the taste, no before here. I tell you. Okay, my lovely. See you guys in my next upcoming video. As of now, I am out. Bye. Ciao.